everybody, welcome to Disney Day 13. We're going to Animal Kingdom this morning. The bus is literally just pulled up. We're going to go and do Navi and the safari and
maybe Everest one more time.
Maybe Everest. But we're going to go to Blizzard Beach when we're done at Animal Kingdom. And then we're going to go to Hollywood Studios for Fantasmic this evening. But we might go to Epcot in between to get the Skyliner over because it reopens today. Let's go!
It's so much less busy.
Everyone's already gone in, that's why. My shoes have holes in on the base and the floor so wet.
Pandora is always kind of wet.
They always, like, I don't know, they must wash the floor every day or something, but the floor is so puddly because of the little, like, stuff that they put in the floor, the imprints. Heading on to Safari again, my favourite ride. We had to do it on our last full day.
Today as we head to the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Just remember that we can't reach out to try skin white stripes, so it does feel like they're related to the zebras, but they're actually cousins of the giraffes. Now hanging out next to the hippos, you can definitely see those pink-backed pelicans there as well. Oh, and there's some Hartman Mountain zebras as well. Zebras there, they actually have some things like this. You can see the one elephant on our right side. This one is actually our largest male elephant. He weighs about 16,000 pounds. But his whole body weight, it doesn't really compare to how much food they eat. They only eat about 300 pounds. There he is. And yummy eating. They have very sensitive skin, so they like to fill their trunks up with as much as the red clay that we pass by, or even some sand, mud, and dirt as they can. That way they're just going to release it as they fling their trunk upwards towards their back, just like that, or even downwards, just like that, towards their underbelly, just to get it all over their bodies as much as they can. We found some bigger cats. See the two lionesses just came out. Oh, there's the male back there. Relax. We're on the bench next to you. Thanks, guys. Yeah, this puppy here, it's a very nice view. Gosh, you're so annoying.
So we got ourselves some strawberries that we've now almost demolished on our way in the shop here. And we're going to head over to Everest. It's 30 minutes and then I think that might be bye to Animal Kingdom. We've just realised we never had Yak and Yeti on this trip. We love Yak and Yeti. There's just been so many things to eat and we've tried different places, so, and we've not had too many like meals.
No.
But we do love Yak and Yeti, the honey chicken. Maybe we'll get Panda Express in the airport tomorrow.
Maybe. Last ride of Animal Kingdom. Here we go.
Kevin's here. Hi, Kevin.
Everybody say hi, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
Wow, you're all so well trained. Yes, Kevin's very tall.
Tom finally decided on his pin, and he's going for the round one.
It was between these two.
Yeah.
I like the characters and that it says I was part of the magic.
But you got your t-shirt
But
now.
I've got my t-shirt that's got Mickey on. I know I bought a hoodie as well that's got this castle on. But because it's a pin and it's the anniversary of the, of the park, I know this has got them in the background, but I think this represents Disney World more than that.
Yeah, I think so too. And with that, we're saying bye to the Tree of Life and Animal Kingdom. Goodbye. Goodbye. Not goodbye. Swaharini.
Baharini, which means to go well.
Go well. And on our way out,
Oh, we can get a photo with her.
we're just trying to find Divine, and we saw the character attendant, and we knew she was here. I think Divine might be heading home. And there she goes back up into the forest. I'm really glad we waited till today to come to Blizzard Beach because it's so nice and warm today in comparison to the other days. But we've got ourselves changed and we're heading off on the bus to Blizzard Beach. We're only going to go there for a couple of hours, go down some slides, have a little bit of a relax and a break. We'll show you around when we get there, but we haven't brought the waterproof camera, so we won't show you going down the slides or anything.
Sadly.
Maybe Tom will go on a slide and of them and coming out the bottom.
Maybe.
But we'll have a little walk round to start with anyway, because we want to go check out the new Frozen section.
Yeah.
And then we'll just have a relax, and then later on we're heading to Hollywood Studios again. We're going to watch Fantasmic, but we're going to try and get on maybe one of the Star Wars rides.
Yeah.
Yeah. We made it to Blizzard Beach. Doesn't look like it's going to be too busy.
No. Surprisingly.
Let's go check out all the new Frozen bit called Tyke's Peak. It's for the enjoyment of children under 122 centimetres. There's lots of shady area over here, so some beds with the canopies over the top that you can get. So there's baby Anna and Elsa with all the little snow babies. Oh, Thomas. There's all the little babies and Olaf.
Here is Sven and Krista as kiddos. Look at all the tiny little ones.
But right, time to find some slides of our own. You can get refillable mugs here too. Tom really wants it.
It is cool.
But it's only $12.99 for this one, for if you're having one day. And then it's $8.50 if you're going to come back or go to Typhoon Lagoon. But you can use it at both. You can't use your resort mugs here, so you'd have to buy one of these if you want a refillable cup. They've got a iridescent ice cream dream cone here for $5.99, $50 if you're looking for anything themed. They also have the big sundae here as well, which is $50 themed. And these are all the locations for food here, all on that side really. I want to try and find the little dots. I don't know if it's here or at Typhoon Lagoon though, so I'm really hoping they're here. So this is bye from us until we're done in the water park. This is how big the lockers are. So it's quite tall. This is my tote bag. It's just tall enough. And you'd probably get 3 resort mugs in the back there. But it was $10.
$10. I know it's meant to be for like all day, kind of.
But still.
Yeah.
But right. There he goes. He's going to go up on the ski lift. On he goes. I forgot the wallet and I went to get it and I missed him. I thought the ski lift would be slow enough. Was it fun?
Yeah. I mean, maybe I'll go on it again before we go.
The hurt is back.
It's a little rumply. I mean, it's not that bad, to be honest.
Okay.
Let's get some ice cream.
Yeah. So we are going to get the Sun Bucket Sand Pail Ice Cream Dream Sundae. $17, but it's a little more than what 2 ice creams would be, but we don't mind. We're going to share it, and it comes with all of this in it. Holy moly, Thomas!
What have we done?
We
got suckered in because the shape of it.
We wanted the sand pail, so it wasn't $16.99. It was $15.49, so that included tax. So I don't know what price it is before tax, but it looks yummy. We've got birthday cake and vanilla soft serve, caramel sauce, hot fudge sauce.
You want
birthday
cherry?
Cake pieces? No, I don't like cherry.
Sorry, I disrupted you.
It's not got the iridescent sparkles on it though. They must have run out. So we're both now turning into Smurfs. But that was nice.
All gone.
All gone.
But that figure out how to wash this out.
You have to go put it in the water fountain.
Yeah.
But that was nice. I enjoyed it. Oh, there's the showers. We could put it in the shower.
I mean, have we suckered ourselves?
No, I think it was $7, like $6.99 for your iridescent cone ice cream.
Yeah.
Which would have been around like $7.20 with tax.
But would you buy this bucket on its own?
But that much ice, what I'm trying to say is like half of that ice cream that was in there.
That was a lot of ice cream, and you got cake as well.
Yeah, and waffle cone and stuff. But half of that would not fit in the $7.50 cone, whereas if we bought 2 cones, that would be $15 anyway. So I think we just bought more ice cream.
Yeah.
For the same price. But I think if you had like multiple people, like if there was 3 of you could definitely 3 of you share that as well.
Yeah.
We kind of forced ourselves to finish. Yeah.
We're chubby.
We forced ourselves to finish it so we can clean it out.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna have a little walk round, might go on one more slide, and then head back to the room, get changed.
The water's going to be cold now.
I know. I kind of don't want to go back in now.
I don't. I'm content, even though we've bought this to say we've been here. We've only done a few rides.
That's okay. We did.
Well, it's got Typhoon on as well, which is closed. So
we've done the family raft ride. They're like purple raft rides, single raft rides.
Yeah.
You did Slush and Gusher.
Yeah. Can't believe you missed it.
This is kind of like a bonus park for us anyway. We just wanted to like have a little dip in the pool because it was so warm anyway. Like, we planned to come here today because we knew it was going to be so hot. So this was our like morning break interval in between Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. So
next time we'll spend another day, like more time here, like next holiday I think.
Yeah, we didn't need to go to the parks as much as we did, but
we did go to the parks quite a bit, but we also went to different resorts and stuff.
We did go to different resorts, but it's also been cold. Like if it was May,
if
it was the summer,
cold,
we probably would have come here in between a lot more, or spent a whole morning or day here. But it's just not been the weather for it, so.
No. But right, let's go back.
Okay, so we're all showered and we're gonna have a quick look in the shop on our way out. So you can get some random kids t-shirts in here, but then mainly it's all swimwear. You've got this cool Typhoon Lagoon UV protecting t-shirt. Some cool kids Disney stuff. So you've got this little mermaid long sleeve UV protect swimsuit. There's some Stormtrooper ones and some Mickey ones. They're really cute. They're mainly for adults. It's just normal swimsuits, Tommy Hilfiger stuff.
If anyone's here who wants the classic black, they've got lots of them here. Jersey. This is adult size.
There's lots of them, not just smalls. There's extra small, small, and oh
And
no,
then it's XL. So there's
XXL.
a
So
few,
there's no mediums or larges, but
but there's more here than we see.
yeah, we haven't seen them in many places. But the pink one is also here too. Haven't seen this Stitch t-shirt before either. They have a ton of towels as well. So if you want a cool towel, I like the Blizzard Beach one. That one's cool. That one's cute. If you like Rapunzel or Moana, it's in a flower shape. That's really cute. Some fun water bottles. You've got a Blizzard Beach
Tumbler Tervis.
Actual Tervis
Oh,
branded.
yeah.
And then the Typhoon Lagoon one is the Stitch one.
Are they pretty cool?
Yeah, and there's an orange bird thing here too. Then just normal adults t-shirts too. I don't think there's any here that I've not seen before, apart from obviously the anything Typhoon Lagoon based. So here's the Blizzard Beach t-shirt, Snow Much Fun, and you've got the UV protective spirit jerseys that feel like swimming costume almost.
Grey one.
Too. And then a mini women's t-shirt, kids Blizzard Beach t-shirt, and then a UV protects t-shirt for adults too, but it's got mini on it. Oh look, there's a Frozen spirit jersey. Not seen that
Your
before.
Own Destiny.
Oh wow, yeah, I've
I think
not seen
it's
that.
the kids one, obviously, but
I'm
that's
pretty
the
sure
biggest
that's kids.
size.
Yeah, I've not seen that before.
If they had that in adults, it'd
Maybe.
be good. I would buy that.
Cool, the kids' spirit jerseys are 55. Guess it's because they've got the Frozen bit here now. And just here, there's a Blizzard Beach cowboy hat. But right then, Thomas, let's get
I like the patch on it.
Let's get heading back. If you're looking for something else to do here at Blizzard Beach, is the Winter Summerland mini golf. We played this on our last trip, but most UK tickets get a round of golf in each one in the Summerland and the Winterland for free.
Yeah.
So that's a nice fun thing to do if you don't want to be in the parks and you just want a little bit of quieter time, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're all changed. Tom's got his film strip t-shirt on, and I've got my Fantasmic t-shirt on because we're going to head over to Hollywood Studios, but we needed some dinner first, and Tom wanted to get this on the day we arrived and we never did. We weren't hungry enough, so we've got it now.
Even still, it's a bit of a
We didn't need this much food right now, but we've gone for the big large cheese pizza. Right, open it up. Let's see how big it is. Wow, Tom.
It smells good.
You look tiny in comparison to the pizza on the camera.
You want me to?
It's so big. We wouldn't even get pizzas that big at home.
Yeah, we would.
Why? So we've made it to Epcot. The ball looks so pretty at this time of day. There's like a slight shimmer of purple on it, and the sun's shining just at the right angle at golden hour, the tiniest little bit. My favourite time for the ball, but we took some pictures in front of the Festival of the Arts sign, so I'll insert them here. But we're quickly going to check if they have the Starbucks mug.
Starbucks mug check.
And then-
I don't
they probably
think there
won't.
will be.
Ready for the sad face? No. Just Star Wars ones. That one, yeah. Never mind. We got Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. We're just going to have to try and find Epcot and Magic Kingdom online. So we were too late to do the paint by numbers, but luckily it's the same one that we'd already done. So
Small World.
we're not too
style
bothered.
one.
We wanted the Figment one. We wanted a little piece of paper of the artwork that comes
Quite
with
like
it.
the Starry Night photo one.
Yeah, the one with the
what
Epcot ball, yeah. But this is farewell. Where is it?
To the Epcot ball.
To the Epcot ball. We're not going to see it again now, so this is the last time. And it's just starting to light itself up, doing its first beacon of light for the day. So it's a little farewell from us. Kevin came to say bye to us in Animal Kingdom this morning, and the Epcot ball is doing its first beacon of light, waving us off. But right, on to a first, rather than a last. Skyliner.
Skyliner.
Time for the Skyliner. It's just paused for a minute, temporarily delayed, but we're going to go get ourselves in the queue. Hopefully we get one without a wrap on it so we can see out the window. So Tom massively jinxed us.
Me?
Yeah, saying I have a feeling it's going to be down all day, and then we get here, and literally the moment we get here,
we hear an announcement
broken
saying,
down.
sorry, the Skyliner is temporarily unavailable.
So it's completely stopped, and they said it's not going to be running for another 20 minutes, and it's 6:20, and Tom would rather go and ride Rise than wait for the Skyliner.
Yeah.
So we're going to get the boat, but we have to wait for another one, because the Skyliner starts moving in the time that the next boat takes to get here. Then we'll go on the Skyliner instead.
This goes straight to the park though.
I guess on the plus side, at least we didn't get here 5 minutes earlier and then we're stuck in one.
In it, yeah.
It just moved a little bit and now it's stopped again, and I got really excited and now it's stopped again. Oh no, never mind. Good evening.
Going to Hollywood?
Yes, thank you. Right, so we are heading on in to Galaxy's Edge now. We've made it to Hollywood Studios. Skyliner seems to be working again now, so we might get it home. We're not too sure, because it's more awkward getting home. But yeah, we're heading into Galaxy's Edge. It's got a Fantasmic show at 9:30 we're going to try and catch. Rise is currently 75, so we're going to head on that.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. No time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Well done, BB-8. You understand the difference?
Yes, that's the first one. Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Yes.
I meant the back, but never mind.
Tasked with getting you to Vakara. Company, First Order TIE Fighters, reroute! Reroute! Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
There we go.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Bubble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Hurry!
I said down! Find another way down to the escape pods.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Efforts are wasted. Cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Okay, you're clear.
Lieutenant, I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits.
Tattoo at night is so cool.
It was scary when I was on my own.
In California.
Yeah. I was literally the only one there.
Oh no. It's an hour until Fantasmic. We're quickly going to go try and find the lightsaber photos because Tom wants to do it in his Jedi robe. And then we're going to go find seats for Fantasmic. Oh, they really are 24/7 patrol.
Yeah.
Good evening, officer.
He ignored you.
On your way.
Oh no, he's trying to start a fight with him.
Easy does it.
Oh no, he called you a Jedi.
Because I am a Jedi. I don't know what to do.
Here he goes.
Cross blades just like this. No. 1, 2, 3. Next. Hold it like this. Yeah. One, two.
Work it, baby, work it.
And 3. Is this what you're looking for?
Oh yes, perfect.
I didn't get the shoes because
Yeah, I know.
They're so bright.
I mean, that's why I chose the green anyway.
And there you have it, our fastest speed walk ever. Over to Fantasmic. Half an hour to go. Let's see where we're sat. I think they're still tidying up after the last one, so we're queuing to get in at the moment. But we're through the gates, which means we're watching it.
We're watching it.
We're watching it. Here we go, we've got a pretty good seat. We're right towards the front, so we were actually bang on time. We let us in at 9:10, but it's because they were clearing up after the last show.
We only had half an hour left, so I'm surprised.
Yeah, we thought we were going to have to be like all the way up at the back, all the way over to the side, but we're not. We're almost in the middle.
It's the second viewing, so...
Pretty good, pretty good. They're all right here as well. They let you just sit where you want to sit, don't they?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Welcome to Fantasmic. Tonight, our friend and host Mickey Mouse uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy.
true as it can be. Barely even friends, then somebody else unexpected. Certain as the sun. To spend the day warm on the sand. Dream of fantastic change. They understand. They don't
Okay then. Bye Tower Hotel. We'll see you next trip. Goodbye Chinese Theatre. We'll see you again next trip too. And with that, our last full day is over.
It was a nice full day.
Yeah, we did quite a bit.
We never got to do the Skyliner.
I know, we might have a look at it now, but I think it'll take us a while to get home.
If not, till next time.
Yeah, never mind. But we were saying on the way here that if it was more accessible of our hotel to get to it, we would have used it more.
Yeah.
But we had to travel to a park to use it to get to another park, which we never hopped to, so
yeah,
we just didn't ever have the opportunity to use it. But anyway, we're going to get going now. We're going to go back, make sure we're packed because we've got to put our luggage in the morning.
Got to make sure it weighs right for the plane. But thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you for our final day tomorrow. Bye guys!